There's no denying the pleasure of eating a stack of hot golden homemade waffles, whether you like them savory or sweet, lightly toasted or extra crispy, or enjoy them at breakfast, brunch or even dinner. And while a waffle maker might not be deemed a kitchen essential, you simply can't make waffles, or waffled anything, for that matter, without one. There are many products available to choose the best waffle makers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best waffle makers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Value. Black Plus Decker Belgian Waffle Maker. The Black Plus Decker Belgian Waffle Maker is another solid option for a standard waffle maker. It produced consistently golden waffles that were evenly browned and cooked through from the first try. Under the manual's helpful hints section, it specifically states that packaged pancake or baking mixes work well with this product. It lived up to its no-stick promise. The waffles slid out easily, and the plates were easy to clean. The extra deep grids did indeed yield thick and fluffy Belgian-style waffles. There is only one heat setting, but the manual includes suggested cooking times, 2 to 3 minutes, and recommends cooking the waffles longer for a crisper texture. This waffle maker features a sturdy construction and a space-saving design. The unit can be stored vertically, and the cord wraps around the storage stand. There is an indicator light to let you know when the unit is preheated, but no timer, so you need to set your own or keep a close watch. This waffle maker also features a cool touch handle. While the handle does remain cool, the steam from the maker is very hot when you open the lid, so we recommend wearing an oven mitt. This product also comes with a limited 2-year warranty. Number 2. Best Rotating. Presto Ceramic Belgian Waffle Maker. We loved the rotating design and 180-degree flip feature, which ensured even batter distribution and yielded waffles with a crisp exterior and fluffy interior, as advertised. It was also easy and fun to use and would be a great way to get kids in on the action. The non-stick ceramic plates lived up to their promise, and we liked that we didn't have to oil the plates before using. The waffles released easily. There was no need to peel away part of the waffle from the plates to dislodge it. Once the unit was fully cooled, the plates were easy to clean simply by brushing crumbs away from the grid and wiping it with a paper towel. There is only one heat setting on this machine, but there is a timer and audible alerts to help you keep track of cooking time. It beeps at the 1-minute warning, and once the timer is finished. And the clearly written manual contains a lot of helpful hints to ensure success, including cooking time, batter amount, and tips for evenly filling the grid. The manual recommends using 3/4 to 1 cup of batter, though we found that a full cup of batter worked best to fill the plate's deep grooves, characteristic to Belgian waffles. One drawback is that the unit is a little slow to reheat in between waffles, and you'll need to watch for the indicator light to come back on to alert you when it's ready to go. And we noticed that on the highest setting, the browning was slightly uneven. Number 3. Best Compact. Express 8 Waffle Maker. This waffle maker's inexpensive price tag and solid performance make it another great budget pick. It was the smallest and lightest unit we tested, so its compact shape makes it a great choice for dorm rooms or small kitchens. It lived up to the express part of its name. The unit heated up quickly, cooked waffles promptly, and reheated quickly in between batches. It takes a little guesswork to determine how much batter to use. The final amount will vary depending on the thickness of your batter, but we found that around 2/3 cup was ideal. The unit also has a runoff moat to catch excess batter. This waffle maker has a non-stick cooking surface and waffles release easily, though we noticed a little sticking the longer the waffle cooked. The final cooking time required comes down to personal preference, but we found that 2.5 minutes yielded evenly cooked waffles that were crisp on the outside and fluffy inside. The unit didn't produce waffles that were 100% uniformly browned, which was especially noticeable the longer the waffle cooked. Still, given the cost, we found that the unit produced good results overall. This product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. Best Belgian. Calphalon Intellicrisp Belgian Waffle Maker. Belgian waffles are known for a large deep grid pattern, which creates pockets that can hold toppings like fruit, whipped cream, or syrup. They are also traditionally larger and thicker than regular waffles, with a crispy exterior and soft interior. The Calphalon Intellicrisp Belgian Waffle Maker made perfect Belgian waffles every single test, even with a cheap just add water batter. The exterior of each waffle was supremely crisp, moreso the longer it cooked, and the inside was fluffy, not gummy. Our favorite feature of the Calphalon waffle maker is the high-contrast LCD screen, which detects the waffle inside the machine and calculates the amount of time until done. Having a handy countdown allows you to step away with the knowledge of exactly how much time is left before you'll need to take the waffle out. We also liked even heat of the ceramic cooking plates, which need no oils or sprays to pre-treat. Every test yielded results that were released from the plates instantly, even on the lowest darkness setting. Number 5. Best Mini Mini Waffle Maker. Not everyone has enough space for a full-sized waffle maker, which is what makes the Mini Waffle Maker by Dash such a great option. It's the smallest machine we tested by far, measuring just 6 1/4 inches at the widest. Despite its small size, it is still capable of making a fluffy and crispy waffle. The waffles that come out of this machine are closer to an Eggo waffle than the large Belgian type you might find at a brunch buffet, but they are still plenty good enough to hit the spot. Mini heats up quickly, just under 4 minutes on average during our testing. Without a timer or audible doneness indicator, it's up to you to keep track of how long the waffle has been cooking and to what degree of darkness you prefer. We found that the longer the waffle was in the machine, the more even the coloration and more crisp the texture. This lack of extraneous features means the Dash Mini can come at the rock-bottom price of just $12.99. It also comes in a variety of colors and waffle shapes, like a heart or a pineapple. The heart-shaped waffle maker we tested produced the same quality waffles as the regular round shape, with nice clean edges and uniform coloring overall. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.